How to import keywords into Listing Builder. Why is this important and how can it make you money? Well, this is pretty much the crux of using Listing Builder. Otherwise, you don't even need to use Listing Builder if you're just going to make your listing inside of Amazon Seller Central. However, the whole point of Listing Builder tool is to help you keep track of which keywords or phrases you've already utilized and help you organize them in a way that is best for the Amazon algorithm. With this, you can monitor the frequency of your uses on your main keywords and your secondary supplementary keywords, as well as how you stack up with the competition. And to do this, you need to import keywords. So where do these keywords come from? Hopefully you have gotten your keywords from other tools inside of Helium 10 like Cerebro. Just as an example, let's go ahead and say that I had to run a search for a bat-shaped bath mat, and I had 77 keywords as part of what I was going to target for my listing. Now, you might have 100 keywords or 150 or more. Whatever it is that you have, any additional phrases might even come from Google or one of the tools like Magnet or Blackbox. But let's just pretend that for the sake of time in this video, this list is 77 keywords and that's all we want. I would go ahead and copy all of these in the clipboard. And in Listing Builder, there's going to be two places where you can add them. You can either just go ahead and add keywords under the third tab if you happen to get on this page, which is what I'm about to do. But I suggest doing it right here on the first main tab where it lets you add them from the bank. So if you've created folders inside of one of our other tools, this is where you'd be able to just select that and quickly import them in. After selecting manually add keywords, all I have to do is paste all the keywords right here. Then I hit the button add to bank, and now all these keywords are going to show up here on the right-hand side alongside their associated search volumes and competitor performance score, which is CPS in short. I'll talk about that a little bit later. I haven't yet entered any competitors yet, and that's why a lot of these are blank. But this is now the list of all my keywords. And upon going to the next step, fully inside of the tool, you'll see what Helium 10 is doing on the left-hand side here is splitting all these keyword phrases into 1-word, 2-word, and 3-word roots, okay? So for example, right now, by default, 1 word is chosen. So I see Gothic is a keyword that is in a lot of these phrases right here. We've got decor, we've got Batman, we've got witchy. Now I hit the 2-word roots, and I can see that home decor is something that's in a lot of these key phrases. 3-word roots, there's only one, which is rugs for bedroom. That is appearing multiple times here in these phrases. But again, this is going to be key because this is going to serve as a guide for you to now ensure that you get all your keywords inside of your listing somehow in some way. And by the way the Amazon algorithm works is you are usually not going to be indexed for keywords that you do not have inside of your listings. So that's why it is that much more important that you import the keywords from wherever it is you did your research into Listing Builder and build it out to maximize your reach and impact.